Good morning, children. Today we are going to do the treasure hunt in your textbook, page number 74. So take out the textbook, page number 74. Treasure hunt. Frankie and Juhi's mummy has hidden a surprise gift for both of them, but she wants them to find out through a treasure hunt. She has written some instructions here. Can you help Juhi and Frankie in finding their gift? So here Frankie and Juhi's mummy has hidden a surprise gift for both of them, and their mummy has hidden a gift for them. And what she wants them to do? She wanted them to find out this gift through a treasure hunt, through a hunt, treasure hunt. And for finding the gift or for the treasure hunt, she had written some instructions. So let us help them, Juhi and Frankie, to find their gift by reading the instructions. So all of you take page number 75 also. Okay, start from the tallest tree. Let us see in page number 75 where is the tallest tree in the figure. Okay, this is page number 75. In this figure, where is the tallest tree? This is the tallest tree. This is a mango tree, and you can see another many trees also here. So many trees are there. This is the tallest tree. Which is the tallest tree? This is the tallest tree. So we have to start from here. Okay. Go forward on the pathway. This is the pathway. This square pieces you can see in a square lines, square tiles are there. This is the pathway. So start from the tallest tree. Starting from here, we will start from here. Go forward. B, instruction B is go forward on the pathway. So we have to go forward through this on the pathway. From the sixth tile, turn left. So you are starting from here. Starting from here, you have to, from the sixth tile you have to turn left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have reached here. As you are moving this straight, this is your left side. Okay, and this is your right side. This is front, this is back. So you reached here on the sixth tile. From here you have to turn left. So this is your left side. So you have turned to this side. Yes, instruction D is after moving a few steps again you will find a plant on your right hand side. So you are moving to this direction. When you move to this direction, this is your right side and this will become your left side. So when you move little forward, you can see a plant on the right hand side. So you can see a plant here. This is the plant on your right hand side. Next is color the dress of the child playing closest to the plant. You can see a child playing near the plant. You have to color her dress. She had wore a white dress. You have to color it as which color you like, you can color it. Okay, now start moving again from the plant. So you have to move again from this plant through the pathway. On the fourth tile, turn left again. So from here we have to count the tile. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have reached here and you are moving in this direction. So this is your left side. So you have to turn to the left side. On the way you will find the corner of the fourth tile is broken. So from here, fourth tile, the corner of the fourth tile is broken. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fourth tile and one of its corner is broken. You will find a bat and ball lying on the ground. Can you see a bat and ball lying on the ground? Yes, there is a bat and ball lying on the ground. Don't pick them up. You do not want to take the bat and ball, but circle them. What you have to do? You have to circle it. So circle it now. You can circle it here. Okay, so circled the bat and ball here. Now move ahead and turn right. So move ahead, you have to move forward and turn right. When you are moving this direction, this is your right side and this is your left side. So you have to move to this direction, okay, to this pathway. Now you will find a mango tree. So you can see a mango tree here. When you move this way, you can see a mango tree here. A few mangoes can be seen on the tree. You can see the mangoes on the tree. Can you see mangoes? Yes, there are many mangoes on the tree. And color 11 mangoes on the tree. Here there are how many mangoes? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There are 15 mangoes altogether, but you have to color only 11 mangoes. How many mangoes you have to color? 11 mangoes. Don't color all the mangoes, only color 11 mangoes over here. Okay. Then also draw some grass near the mango tree and start moving again on the pathway. So here you can draw some grasses also near the mango tree. You have to draw grasses here. Okay, grass like this, small grasses you can draw. Like this, draw grasses like this. Okay, so you can draw neatly using the pencil and color it. Okay, draw grasses near the mango tree and start moving on the pathway. After that you have to move through this pathway. This is the pathway, so start moving to the pathway. When you go straight, you will find this house. So you are moving through the pathway. What you found? You can find a house here. Have you found a house here? Yes, there is a house here. Behind that house there is a bag. So behind the house, can you see a bag here? Yes, where is the bag? It is behind the house. Open it and you will find something sweet in it. So what you want to do? You have to open the bag. You can find some sweet inside it, because Frankie and Juhi's mummy has hidden some sweets inside that bag. Can you tell what their mother has kept in the bag? Can you tell what sweet have been kept? It may be the sweet which is their favorite sweet. Juhi and Frankie have some favorite sweets, and their mother might have kept that favorite sweet inside that bag. If you all have some favorite sweets and your parents wish to give you that favorite sweet, isn't it? So like that, Juhi and Frankie's mother has kept some favorite sweets of Juhi and Frankie inside the bag. So at last we have find out the gift. Have you find out? Yes, we have find out after reading the instructions. We found out the gift. Started from here. Where we reached? We reached the near the treasure. Okay. I hope you all have understood this. Let us wind up this session for today. Thank you.